Hello, friends! Right now, we are going to show you 5 best portable SSD. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. 4 TB Magnetic Portable SSD. External solid-state drives with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2. Speed up to 2000 MB per second. Compact and durable. Compatible with iPhone 15, 16 series and other USB-C devices. Digital storage capacity 4 TB. Included components: magnetic adapter X1, manual X1, portable solid-state drive X1, Type-C data cable X1. Hard disk interface USB-C. Connectivity technology USB. Brand Digiera. Special feature dust-resistant, portable, unique magnetic adsorption function, water-resistant. Wide compatibility for effortless integration. The Digiera solid-state drive features universal compatibility with a USB Type-C interface, working seamlessly with laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and most smartphones. Its plug-and-play functionality means instant access for students, freelancers, and multitaskers on the go. Note: only compatible with iPhone 15 series and newer, not compatible with iPhone 14 and earlier models. Magnetic connection for stability and security. The innovative magnetic design ensures that the SSD external remains securely connected to your phone or other digital devices. You can walk and talk while shooting to describe a scene or follow a scampering subject in the woods. The Digiera Magnetic Portable SSD won't slip and drop accidentally.
Number 4. Crucial X10 1 TB Portable SSD. Up to 2100 megabytes per second, USB 3.2, USB-C, external solid-state drive. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android. Durable storage for games, photos, and files. Digital storage capacity 1 TB. Included components: external SSD, USB-C to C cable. Model name: X10 Portable SSD. Hard disk interface, solid state. Connectivity technology, USB. Brand, Crucial. Special feature, portable. Ultra-fast speeds. Designed for creators, students, and PC gamers, this matte blue external SSD delivers fast data access with up to 2100 megabytes per second read speeds. Unlike a hard drive, SSDs offer significantly faster performance. Built to last. Perfect for travel and all types of weather with IP65 dust and water resistance. Plus, it's drop resistant up to 9.8 feet, or 3 meters. This portable drive is designed for durability and reliability wherever you go. Broad compatibility. External drive connects effortlessly with Windows, Mac, iPad Pro, Chromebooks, Android, Linux, PS4, PS5, and Xbox via USB-C and USB-A for easy and fast file transfers. Number 3. Crucial X10 Pro 4 TB Portable SSD. Up to 2100 megabytes per second read, 2000 megabytes per second write, USB 3.2 USB-C, external solid-state drive, durable storage for professional creators. Digital storage capacity 4 TB. Included components: external SSD, USB-C to C cable. Model name: X10 Pro Portable SSD. Hard disk interface, solid state. Connectivity technology, USB. Brand: Crucial. Special feature: portable. Hard disk description: solid state drive.
Compatible devices: desktop, gaming console, laptop, tablet. Installation type: external hard drive. Ultra-fast speeds. Designed for professional creators, this external SSD delivers fast data access with up to 2,100 megabytes per second read and 2,000 megabytes per second write for a seamless workflow. Unlike a hard drive, SSDs offer significantly faster performance. Built to last. Perfect for fieldwork and all-weather shoots with IP55 water and dust resistance, plus drop-resistant up to 7.5 feet, 2 meters. This portable drive includes a lanyard loop, activity light, and SSD password protection for on-the-go security. Broad compatibility. External drive connects effortlessly with Windows, Mac, iPad Pro, Chromebooks, Android, Linux, PS4, PS5, and Xbox via USB-C and USB-A for easy and fast file transfers.
Number 2. Crucial X10 Pro 2TB portable SSD, up to 2100 megabytes per second read, 2000 megabytes per second write. USB 3.2, USB-C, external solid-state drive. Durable storage for PC and Mac for professional creators. Digital storage capacity, 2 terabytes. Included components: Crucial X10 Pro portable SSD, USB-C cable, Milio Photos Plus redemption code. Form factor, portable. Hard disk interface, USB-C. Connectivity technology, USB. Brand, Crucial. Special feature, portable. Hard disk form factor, 2.5 inches. Hard disk description, solid-state drive. Compatible devices: camera, gaming console, laptop, tablet. Ultra-fast speeds. Designed for professional creators, this external SSD delivers fast data access with up to 2100 megabytes per second read and 2000 megabytes per second write speeds for a seamless workflow. Number 1. 2 TB external SSD up to 1000 megabytes per second. Portable SSD hard drive, USB 3.2, 2 Gen 2, dual USB-C and USB-A ports. Push-pull design. USB drive for iPhone 15, 16, 17, Android, Mac, laptop, game consoles. Digital storage capacity, 2 TB. Hard disk interface, USB 2.0 and 3.0. Connectivity technology, USB. Brand, OSCOO. Special feature, backward compatible, dust resistant, native command queuing, portable, waterproof. Hard disk form factor, 2.288 inches. Hard disk description, solid-state hard drive. Compatible devices, desktop, gaming console, laptop, smartphone, tablet. Installation type, external hard drive. Blazing fast 1000 megabytes per second transfers. Achieve blazing speeds up to 1000 megabytes per second, perfect for quickly transferring high-resolution videos, photos, and design files. Ideal for photographers, designers, and video creators looking to boost productivity. Supports 4K 120 FPS ProRes recording, enabling smooth capture and editing of high-quality cinematic content for filmmakers and creators. Dual port convenience. Seamlessly connect and transfer data across laptops, desktops, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and more, featuring USB-C and USB-A ports for universal compatibility, no adapters required. Compatible with laptops, iPhones, PS5, projectors, desktops, cameras, etc., ensuring reliable performance for various devices. USB-C to USB-A cables can be easily adapted to Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS devices that support USB-C.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.